Chrissy Teigen is an America-born model. In 2011, she appeared for her first time on the Sports Illustrated Swimsuit Issue of that year. She, Lily Aldrіdge and Nīna Agdal were on the 2014 cover. Teigen and LL Cool hosted lip sync battle. She is also part of the lifestyle panel talk show called FAVLife. She is also a cook, judge and author. Early life. Chrissy Teigen was born in 1985 on 30 November as a Christian Teigen. Her birthplace was Delta, Utah, United States of America. Her father was an electrician. The family kept moving from one place to another. Some of the areas they lived are Idaho, Washington, Hawaii and Snohomish. Eventually, when she was a teenager, they settled in Huntington Beach, California. Personal life. She is married to John Legend. He is a singer. Their wedding was held in 2013 on 14th September in Como, Italy. Earlier in December 2011, after 4 years of dating, Legend had proposed. They go way back in 2007 during the set of John music video of the song Stereo. He dedicated the song All of Me to her. They announced expecting their first child in 2015 on 12th October. Their child was conceived through in vitro fertilization. The baby was a girl and she was born in 2016 on 14 April. They named her Luna. Age, height and weight. Being born on 30 November 1985, Chrissy Teigen is 35-year-old as of today's date, 9th November 2021. Her height is 1.74 meter tall and her weight is 58 kg in kilograms. Career. Teigen is represented all over the world by IMG models based in New York. In 2004, that is when she became an IGN baby. Between 2006 and 2007, she was a substitution model on Deal or No Deal. Teigen appeared on Maximus calendar's cover 2 in 2017. Awards and achievements. Chrissy authored a cookbook called carvings. The book was released in 2016 on 23rd April and became a New York Times bestseller. Net worth and salary of Chrissy Teigen in 2021. As of November 2021, Chrissy Teigen has an estimated net worth of $30 million. Her primary source of income is her modeling career. In addition to that, Teigen has also had roles in television as well as hosted various shows. Her other source of income is the sales of her cookbook by the name Cravings. Teigen is also in charge of several campaigns. She appears on covers of magazines as well. A beautiful young lady who earns a living from her modeling career describes Chrissy Teigen. She appeared in the Sports Illustrated Swimsuit Issue between 2010 and 2014. In a cooking show named Snack Off, she has appeared as a judge. Teigen is also an author and a television host, mainly of fashion and diet.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And